Yes guys, welcome to Terminal. Welcome to Terminal 21 Pattaya, and I think this is the best place to visit. In case you come to Thailand, man, don't miss out going to Pattaya. There is much to see. Reasons as to why you should visit. The mall uses travel airport terminal concept. For each gate is designed with cities, like Tokyo, Italy, London, San Francisco. Now this makes the mall or the shopping experience very easy because most people want to travel. They want to feel that shopping experience. And there are many brand shops. I've seen H&M, excellent dining. There are many outlets where to have food, Thai cuisines, Japanese food. Now this is the outside of this mall. It's also fun because most people want to take pictures. So if you're a fan of taking photos, videos, why not? Make yourself have time and make yourself happy by visiting this. There is a place for entertainment, like right now here outside. At night, people are here enjoying music. But also, inside, they have cinema halls. They have got places you can relax from. Look at this kind of beauty here. Let me take a picture. In the late evening, this is something like a walking street or evening market. They got souvenirs. You can buy the souvenirs. The security is really good, and they have enough parking area where you can park your car. What are you waiting for? Come and visit this mall. This is a unique bridge, man. Yeah. Okay. We do sell pack.